I will demonstrate it once more. Form 92, Golden Rooster Stance, Jean G. Dooley, and Form 93 Golden Rooster Nods. These two movements are closely connected. I will explain these two movements together. Continue from the previous movement. Golden Rooster Stance, Jean G. Dooley, Golden Rooster Nods. Relax, then stand on one leg again and nod again. I will demonstrate this once more.